Good morning, students, and welcome back. Hope you all are well and staying at your home. Today, in this video, we are going to start our next chapter, that is chapter number 2, and the name of the chapter is Rational Number. Let us start the chapter Rational Number. First, we will learn that what is rational number. First, we will learn what is rational number. First, we will define rational number. Rational number can be defined as the number which is in the form of P by Q. The number which is in the form of P by Q, where condition is there where Q should not be equal to 0, are called rational number. The number which is in the form of P by Q, like 2 by 3. Here 2 is P and 3 is Q. And hence the condition is there that Q should not be equal to 0. Here Q is not equal to 0. Here in P by Q, P is numerator and Q is denominator. And with this rational number, the denominator should not be equal to 0. Like for example, we can say 3 by 5 is a rational number, minus 4 by 5 is a rational number, minus 3 is a rational number. Minus 3, we can also say it is a rational number. 4 is a rational number. How? Because 1 is in the place of denominator. When nothing is there in denominator, we used to take 1. Therefore, these numbers are being called rational number. Even 0 is also a rational number because in the place of denominator there will be 1. Now we will study some of the properties of rational number. There are certain properties of rational number. First property we will study that if P by Q is a rational number, then P and Q are integers. P and Q should be integers, where Q should not be equal to 0 we have studied. Now, second rule, every fraction is a rational number. Since P by Q it is a form of fraction, every fraction is a rational number, but its converse is not always true. Let us take an example. 0 by 5. It is a rational number, but converse 5 by 0 will be not a rational number. Similarly, there are positive rational number, there are negative rational number. Now it's time to start our exercise, and the exercise is 2A. First question is saying write down a rational number whose numerator is largest number of 2 digit and denominator is smallest number of 4 digit. Write down a rational number whose, as we all know that rational number is in the form of P by Q. P is numerator and Q is denominator. Now, question is saying write down a rational number whose numerator is largest number of 2 digit. Numerator is largest number of 2 digit. That means 99 is the largest number of 2 digit. That's why numerator will be 99. And denominator is smallest number of 4 digit. Smallest number of 4 digit is 1000. Therefore, 1000 will be the denominator, and this 99 by 1000 will be the required rational number. This will be your answer. Next is question number 2. Question is saying write the numerator of each of the following rational number. There sum of the rational number is given and we have to write only numerator, like in first minus 125 by 127. What is numerator? So minus 125 is numerator. Here 37 is numerator. Here minus 85 is numerator. Here 2 will be numerator. Here 0 will be numerator. Similarly, question number 3 is asking write down the denominator. In this question, minus 15 will be denominator, 29 denominator, 4, 1. Since denominator, no denominator is here, that's why 1 will be taken. 1 will be denominator. Here also 1 will be denominator. Next we will see question number 4. Question number 4 is saying write down a rational number with numerator is equal to minus 5 into minus 4. The value of this product will be the numerator, and with denominator 28 minus 27 into 8 minus 5. Let us place the numerator and denominator. As we know that the rational number will be numerator by denominator. In place of numerator, what we have to write? With numerator minus 5 into minus 4. This we have to write in place of numerator, divided by denominator. What we have to write? 28 minus 27 into 8 minus 5. Now minus into minus plus, 5 4 ja 20. It will be plus 20 divided by 28 minus 27 1, 8 minus 5 3. Next step, 20 by 1 3 ja 3. This will be your answer. This will be the rational number. 20 by 3 will be the required rational number. Now let us see question number 5. Question number 5 is saying first minus 15 by 1 in integer form. Integer form. In the integer no new denominator is there. Denominator is not there. That means answer will be only minus 15. Minus 23 by minus 1. This minus will go up and it will become minus 23. If 18 is equal to 18 by a, then a is equal to, here no number is there, that means a will be 1. If minus 57 by a, then a will be, here minus is not there, that's why in place of a we will write minus 1. Now question number 6. Separate positive negative rational number. This one minus is there, negative. This one is also negative. This one, both the numerator and denominator are having minus sign. Both the sign will be reduced and it will become only 3 by 5. That's why it will become positive number. This one positive. 0. 0 is neither negative nor positive. Minus 13 by minus 3. This one is also positive. This one negative, negative. Up to here, question number 6, it is clear. Next we will see question number 7. Question number 7 says, find 3 rational number equivalent to. In class 6, we have studied equivalent fraction. After reducing the fraction remains same. Those fractions are known as equivalent. First question is 3 by 5. 3 by 5 we have taken. Now for making it equivalent, 3 equivalent fraction. So first it will be 3 by 5 multiplied by 2 by 2. It is 3 2 ja 6, 5 2 ja 10. This is the first equivalent fraction which is obtained by multiplying 2 by 2. Second equivalent fraction will be obtained by multiplying 3 by 3. And third equivalent fraction will be multiplied by 4 by 4. 3 4 ja 12, 5 4 ja 20. These are the fraction equivalent to 3 by 5. Because if we reduce these fraction into lowest term, it will give us 3 by 5. Let us see. Suppose 6 by 10 is there. 2 3 ja 6, 2 5 ja 10. It is 3 by 5. That's why these 3 fractions are equivalent fractions. Similarly, question number 7, next 3 question you have to do it by your own. Next is question number 8. Question number 8 is saying which of the following are not rational number. Earlier we have studied a rational number should be in the form of p by q, where q should not be equal to 0. It means that we have to keep in our mind that denominator should not be 0. Let us see question. First, minus 3. It is a rational number because in the denominator part 1 is there. 0. It is a rational number because the denominator is 1. 0 by 4. It is also a rational number because denominator is 4. Here 8 by 0. It is not a rational number because denominator should not be equal to 0. 5. 0 by 0. It is also not a rational number because denominator is 0. This question is clear. Now question number 9. Question number 9 is saying express each of the following integer. Here some of the integers are given. As a rational number, we have to convert these integer into rational number with denominator 7. Like first question is minus 5. Minus 5 is your first question and we have to express this integer with denominator 7. By what number we will multiply so that it will give denominator as a 7? Simple, we will multiply with 7 by 7. Here minus 5, it means minus 1 is there. 5 7 the 35, it will be minus 35. Similarly, in question number second, you will also multiply by 7 by 7. In all the question we have to multiply it by 7 by 7. The fraction which will be obtained, that fraction will be a rational number. Now next question number 10. Question number 10 is saying express 3 by 5 as a rational number with denominator 20, minus 20, 45, 25, 35. All the questions are different. Like first is saying denominator should be 20. And what is our fraction? 3 by 5 is fraction. How we will convert this 5 into 20? That is by multiplying 4. If we are multiplying 4 in denominator, to make it equivalent, we have to multiply in numerator also. 3 4 are 12. The fraction will be 12 by 20. Similarly, second, we have to minus 20. That means 3 by 4, 5 into 4 into minus 4. It will minus 12 by minus 20. Denominator we have got minus 20. Similarly, question number 11, you have to express in numerator. You have to solve question number 11 by your own. Next we will see question number 12. Question number 12 is saying find x such that, we have to find the value of x such that, first question is saying minus 2 by 3 is equal to 6 by x. In this question we have to find the value of x. Let us solve and find the value. Question is minus 2 by 3 is equal to 6 by x. In class 6 we have studied about cross multiplication. We will cross multiply it. That means minus 2 into x is equal to 6 into 3. We have multiplied it. Cross multiplication we have done here. Cross multiplication. In the next step, this minus 2 we will send to RHS. Then after only the value of x can be calculated. Now x is equal to 6 into 3. This one is in multiplication form. When minus 2 will come this side, it will become in division form. 2 3 is 6. X is equal to 3 3 is 9. This minus will go up and the value of x will become minus 9. Similarly, in question number 2 also you will do cross multiplication. 3 also, 4, 5 and 6. One question I am solving, that is question number 4. Question number 4 says minus 48 by x is equal to 6. Minus 48 by x is equal to 6. This we can make it 6 by 1. Now we have to cross multiply. That is x into 6 is equal to minus 48 into 1. For finding the value of x, we have to remove this 6. Minus 48 into 1. It is in multiplication. When it will go this side, it will become division. 6 8 are 48. X is equal to minus 8 into 1. The value of x is minus 8. Similarly, question number 5 and question number 6 you will solve by your own. Question number 13. Express each of the following rational number in lowest term. This you know. You have to do it by your own. You have to reduce the fraction into lowest term. Question number 14 we will see. Question number 14 is saying express each of the following rational number in standard form. Let us understand what is standard form. A rational number is said to be in standard form if its denominator is positive. First of all, denominator should be positive and the denominator should be in lowest term. Like first question is minus 7 by minus 8. Let us make it in standard form. What standard form says? That denominator should be positive. The denominator should be positive. Here denominator is negative. This minus and this minus will be cancelled. It will become 7 by 8. Now denominator is positive. And another was denominator should be in lowest term. Yes, in comparison to the numerator, denominator is in its lowest term. Therefore 7 by 8 will be called as standard form. In question number 2, 5 by minus 12, you will send minus to numerator. It will become minus 5 by 12. Here minus minus will be cancelled, 7 by 20. Here minus will be sent to numerator. It will become 4 by 9. Up to here exercise 2a is being completed. In the next video we will see exercise 2b. And till now your task is to complete exercise 2a in your copy.